Hey, hello guys, Billy here. Well, on this video I'm gonna do a bit of cooking on the snow. Ooh, very good cooking. Come on. Oh, so much snow, crazy. Timber! Well, I can tell you I missed my chainsaw. I took some branches from this tree, the poplar, and I put it underneath. Even if the snow melt underneath, it will stick there. So that's why I need some branches. There is a gap between. So to make sure the ember just don't fall down, I will hewn them. So a little bit more work and almost there. Gotta be careful though. It's been an hour and a half. There is enough coal now to do some cooking. Here we go. Isn't it beautiful? Wow, moose meat. And I would put down below the recipe for the marinade. Adding up a bit of marinade for the taste. I've got this from my sponsor, Princess Auto. Works good for barbecue. I really love when the meat is very crunchy. Very crunchy on the outside, but very tender inside. Oh! A bit of sour cream. Mmm. 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 Cooking on fire. Mmm. Oh, the marinade, so good. Oh, wow. Oh well, guys, that was Billy cooking outside on snow, on the raft. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. See you next time. Live your passion, live the adventure, always. Bye-bye.